Hey everybody, Elaine Watson here with a pro tutorial on how to remove ASP's Quick Dip Nail System using ASP caps, foams, and soak off solution. This is the easiest removal you will ever do for yourself at home. Stay tuned to the end of this video for a shopping list of everything you need that you can get at your local Sally Beauty Supply store or online at sallybeauty.com. Now let's get started. Using an ASP 180 grit file, rough up all of your nails. Insert the foam into the cap. Always shake your bottle of soak off solution before you use it. Put a generous amount of soak off solution into the cap and foam, and then place it on your finger. Just a 2-minute peek check. We're not quite there yet. Here's a tip. This is how you reposition the wet foam. Just line it up and push your finger into the cap. After 5 minutes of total soaking time, it's ready to remove. I like to use the round end of the nail file to just roll the squishy product off the nail. It's that easy. And now you're ready to start the steps all over again to apply a new color. Here's that shopping list I promised. ASP caps, foam, soak off solution, and a 180 grit file. Thanks so much for watching my video. Leave me some comments. Until next time, take care.